Hi, this is a tutorial to show you how to use G-Link Grabber or Google Link Grabber. The purpose of the software is to go into your Google Drive and grab any link that relates to a topic, the keyword that you place in here. So when you first get your software, you're going to need to add your license key and your email address that's related to the purchase. So each time you open your software, you're going to need to sign into a Google account. And I don't think it's significant which one you use. And then I would go and add Google accounts. So you can do just one email address or as many email addresses as you have Google Drive accounts for. So you just enter the email address and the password and click on Add Account. And for each email address you add, you're just going to delete what's in the field there and put in your new email address, your new password, add account. So you have to enter the information on the browser, and you may see this screen. Don't get nervous, don't worry about it. Just click on Advanced. Go to Link Grabber. These are all of the features that Link Grabber is going to make use of. Click Allow. Receive verification code. You may now close this window. Back to Link Grabber. So I've now got 3 different addresses in here, and if you do not have a blogger attached to the Gmail address, you'll get a notice informing you that you don't have a blogger attached to it. So you may want to just go ahead and add blogger accounts to all your Gmail before you insert them here, because you may want to use them and it's easier to do it beforehand than afterwards. So now you're ready to start grabbing some links. So put your keyword and pick the account. Now you can come over and select Google+, Google Drive, Google Photos, Blogger if Blogger's attached, YouTube, anything that's attached to the G Drive. One or all of the data that we want to look for, and click on Search. And then just be patient. Depending on how much information you have, this could take quite some time. Okay, so that was actually pretty quick. Got an awful lot of links here. There's no photo links. One calendar link. And at the bottom it reads Status Finished. If you want to know some of the possibilities with Google, if you click on this little box of boxes, click on More, Even More, this opens up pretty much everything that is connected to Google. If you scroll down the screen, so you can save your links to Google Keep, Docs, Slides, Drive, Sheets, and you can go through here and see these are all the Google products that you can make use of. So here are all the links that G-Link Grabber found today for this keyword in this account. So you can select all and copy, and you can paste them to a Google Doc, to Sheets, to Google Keep, etc. You saw all the Google products. And then you can embed the link into Blogger, into a YouTube video, into calendars, etc. So here are Blogger links, and there's a blog post, and you see the links are published. Now Google is telling me that I moved some of these to trash. I don't recall doing that, but okay, there's an image, another image. There's the calendars link. You can also select all and copy and paste them into your favorite links indexer, and you can come over here and click on Convert and Upload. So it creates an HTML list. That wraps up this tutorial.